Today we are joined by Mr. Chirag Somani, the Deputy General Manager of Gravita India. The company has come on the back of very strong Q3 numbers and their lead business is expanding in a very positive manner. Mr. Somani, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me here.
Right, sir. So to begin with, I would like to start off with a question on your debt. So can you give us a picture on what the net debt of the company looks like and what are the reduction plans on that front?
So currently we did a successful oversubscribed QIP in December. After that, temporarily we have zeroed down all the debt in India, and we only have one structural debt at overseas from the DFIs, Proparco and OEB, that we'll do in a phased manner as per the requirement post our capex plan. Whatever the liquidity is there, we'll try to reduce that as well. So currently we have already zeroed down entire debt in India.
Right, sir. Thanks for that. And when you talk about growth plans for the company, are there any inorganic growth plans that you have planned, any mergers and acquisitions down the line that we can expect from Gravita?
Yes, definitely. Actually, we see a huge opportunity, not only in India, across the globe, because if you see globally, all the lawmakers are discussing about the circular economy and recycling, and our product fits into that. So we think that we want to invest up near about 2,500 crores in the business in next 3 to 4 years, where 500 to 600 would be organic growth, where we ourselves manufacture or fabricate all the equipments and do the projects by our own, and remaining 8 to 900 crore we'll try to acquire certain companies which are up for value addition for our business. So we have the good plans over there.
Right, sir. So quite a picture you painted for inorganic growth. There were, if I'm not wrong, some capacity expansion plans also in the pipeline. So can you tell us when they will be coming online?
So currently one of the capacity pilot project is coming up at the Mundra plant for the lithium ion recycling. And then we are discussing certain plans for the east side, because currently we have plants in Jaipur and Mundra, J&K, and in south Chittoor. So now we are doing some feasibility to have a plant in east side. So we'll hear soon for the east plant as well,
right,
once our feasibility is done.
So, sir, can you give us an update on the extension of RCM to battery scrap and EPR?
Okay. So EPR is already there on the battery scrap. If you are not able to complete the target as per the battery waste management rules, then there are EPR penalties which are enacted by the government, which is somewhere around 5.4. Like you need to compensate it by buying the EPR certificates from the recyclers. That is somewhere between 5.4 to 18 rupees per kg. Regarding the RCM, so GST Council already implemented RCM on lead scrap, but they forget to mention the battery, which is the major source of the lead scrap. So now the industry is again pushing to the government, and government is also working on it, and we think it will come soon on the battery scrap as well, RCM. Right,
sir. So moving on, my final question for you. Can you give us an idea on how the fourth quarter numbers and in tandem the financial year numbers will end up looking like for Gravita, and can you give us a growth guidance, if any?
So we have already given that visibility for the growth guidance is we wanted to grow at least 25% CAGR growth in volume terms, because in lead size top line doesn't matter, because if market prices fluctuates, then your top line fluctuates accordingly. So for recyclers, they get their margin from the volumes, whatever the volume they recycle. So our target is to get at least 25% volume growth in next 3 to 4 years. And for the quarter 4, I think we have delivered good success in past in the business. So same way we are hoping in future we are continue to do that, not only for Q4, for all the coming quarters.